Hey guys, Dan Mark Auto here. Just want to follow up on the last video where the cylinder head cracked. So I'm going to try something. I don't know if it's the right thing to do, but if it doesn't work, then I'll figure something else out. So I'm going to use a product called PL Premium and try to essentially glue that ear back to the cylinder head, and we'll drill it out and see how it holds. Worst case scenario, I just figure out another solution if it doesn't hold.
Well, all the hardest days in my life are behind me, and I'm not going back for nothing. I'd rather live each day out until the last. I'm not living, hardly surviving in this fucked up world we're all living in, and I'm trying my fucking hardest.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll let this dry overnight at least and start drilling in tomorrow and see what happens. Please like and subscribe.